Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So before I start the video, I want to quickly share two things. First, from this video onward, I will be using English as the medium since some of my friends from South India were unable to follow up due to the language barrier, and I want this channel to be helpful for everyone no matter where you are from. And second, I know it's been a while since I posted my last video. In fact, it's been about 4 months. Uh, the reason being, I recently joined a new job and I was just trying to settle in, understand the work culture, and get my rhythm back. But now, since we are back on track, I have a lot of great content lined up. So stay tuned. Coming back to the today's topic, this is a real interview question sent to me by a friend who was recently asked this in one of his SQL interviews. So we have this table matches which looks like this. We have a team column, match ID column, and win column. So we need to calculate for each team the longest winning streak. For example, RCB has won the first match but lost the second one. Then, in continuation, RCB has won three consecutive matches. Here, RCB has won three consecutive matches. So, we can say the longest winning streak for RCB is three matches. If we look at CSK, we can say the longest winning streak is 5 matches. But if we look at in the case of KKR has two winning streaks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the first streak. 1, 2, 3. This is the second streak. So we should get the result as 5 when the team name is KKR. So let's get the idea how we are trying to calculate this. The idea being every time a loss occurs now, it breaks a winning streak. Means this will be our one group, this will be our one group, and this will be our one group. So we will use the window function to increment the group number each time. Means if the group starts from here, it will be marked as 1, this group will be marked as 2, this group will be marked as 3, and so on. Now let's try to formulate this in a query. I will select all the given columns first. Select team, match ID, win from matches. Now I will create one additional column, create a flag for the losses. Since our group is based on the losses, case when win equals to loss, then 1 else 0. And now this is giving me 1 and 0, means an integer. So I will wrap it inside a sum function. So we will convert this aggregation into a Windows function. To convert any aggregate function into a window function, we have to write over after that function, and I will partition it by team and order it by the match ID, and we will call it as loss group. Now let's see what this group is doing. So for that, let me select team, loss group, and win from CTE base, and let's filter it for only winning records where win is equals to W. Let's run it. Now see, if I show for KKR, their first streak is grouped in one group and their second streak is grouped in second group. I think now it has become very easy. We simply have to, first count and then get the max of that count. So let's modify this and put it in a CTE streak as, so let's do count star as streak count. Now close the CTE. So we will write select team and now max of streak count as maximum consecutive win from. Let's run this query. Oh, we need to add group by as well. By team loss group. Yeah. See, we are getting the maximum consecutive win for each team, and in case of KKR, it is giving us 5 and not 5 plus 3 8. Let me show you the data once again. So if I run this one, let's verify. It says CSK has 5, GT has 2, KKR has 5, and RCB has 3. So if I check in case of CSK, the maximum win streak is 5. In case of GT, it is 2. In case of KKR, we had 2 win streaks. One is 5 and one is 3. And it is giving us the correct answer as 5. So that's how you can approach this problem. This is the original question from an interview and not a made up question taken from the internet. So it's a good way to practice your interview questions. If you have any confusion, you can write it down in the comments. And if you like the video, share it with your friends and help us grow. Thank you.